So hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Miss Versatile Educator. So how are you? So today we will be learning the topic number system. So let's get started. Firstly, there is a number. So number is divided into two parts, real numbers and imaginary numbers. Real numbers are when we combine both rational and irrational numbers, the numbers that we get are known as real numbers. Then is rational and irrational numbers. Rational numbers are the numbers which are written in the form of p by q, where q is not equal to 0 and p and q both are integers. Although we will be learning about integers, so firstly we will be looking at the examples of rational number. Like we can write 4 by 5, where all the properties are considering that p by q, like it's p upon q. And the condition is that q should not be equal to 0. This is the condition, okay? So, it's all considering because p and q here, 4 and 5 both are integers. Okay, 4 and 5 both are integers, and q means the denominator. Q means the denominator. You can see that it is greater than 0. Obviously, 5 is greater than 0. So, it is considering all the properties of rational number. So, we can say that 4 by 5 is a rational number. The next is irrational numbers. The numbers which are not rational are known as irrational numbers. Then, irrational number is again divided into fraction and integers. Fraction we are learning from very low primary classes. Fraction is a part of whole. Fraction is a part of whole. There is a very slight difference between fraction and rational number. I'll be telling you. Firstly, we are looking at examples of fraction. We can tell 9 by 6 or 1 by 2, etc. Okay, so what is the difference between rational number and fraction? Okay, so let's have a look at it. What fraction says is that we can tell what rational number says. Rational number tells us that the numbers should be written in the form of p by q, where q should not be equal to 0. So here we can also say that minus 9 upon 6 is a rational number, but it is not a fraction. Okay, in fraction we cannot include a minus sign. Then is integer. Okay, what is integer? Integer, all the counting numbers, means all the positive numbers included with 0 and negative numbers together, they are known as integers. For example, we can tell that 0 is an integer, minus 1 is an integer, minus 2, 4, 6 and so on. Okay. Then is the parts of fraction. Although fraction have many parts, but today we will learn there are mainly only two, proper and improper. So we will be learning proper and improper. Proper fractions are the fractions in which the numerator means what? In proper fraction, it is an numerator upon denominator. Okay, so in which numerator is less than denominator, means it is a proper fraction. For example, let's take an example to understand it better. Like if we take 4 upon 5, the same we are having it front. Okay, 4 upon 5. So it is also considering the artful thing. So what is proper fraction? That the numerator should be less than the denominator. So obviously 5 is less than 4. Sorry, 5 is greater than 4. So it is a proper fraction. Then is improper fraction. As the name suggests, that proper fraction is improper fraction is just opposite of proper fraction. What means? If we write 5 upon 4, that means it is an improper fraction in which numerator is greater than denominator. Okay. Then in integers there are two parts: whole number and negative numbers. Whole numbers. What are whole numbers? What are whole numbers? Whole numbers are the natural numbers included with 0 are known as whole numbers. That, for example, we can tell that 0 is a whole number, 1, 2 and so on is a whole number. Then is negative number. Negative means minus. Obviously, yeah, right? Negative means minus. So the numbers having minus sign in front of them written over. Like for example, we take as 4. If we include a minus sign, means negative sign, then this number, this minus 4 will be called as negative number. Then is the part of whole number, natural number and 0. Natural numbers. Okay, so what are natural numbers? Nature. Okay, so natural numbers are all counting numbers are known as natural numbers. It does not include 0 because 0 is just divided over here at 0. It is another subdivision that it is a 0 of whole number. Natural number is 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. Then there are many parts of natural number. I'm just telling you over here 5, but you will be learning more about that. First is even number. What is even number? Even numbers are the numbers which are divisible by 2 or a multiple of 2. For example, we can say that it's 4, 2, obviously, 6, 8, 10 and etc. Like 2 1 is 2, 2 to the 4 and etc. There is odd numbers. The numbers which are not divisible by 2 are known as odd numbers. Like, let's take an example. 3 and then 4, 5, that's so on. Okay. Then is prime number. Prime numbers are the numbers. Prime numbers are the numbers which have only 2 factors. Only 2 factors. Like other numbers have many factors, but in prime numbers they have only 2 factors. That is the number 1 and the number itself. For example, we take the example of 7 over here. I have written example 7. To understand, I think it is the best way to take an example for that. So if we are having a 7, we can tell that 7 is not divisible by any number. Like it does not come in. Yeah, it exactly obviously come in the table of 1. 1 is a 1, 1 is a 2. That's all. But in the table of 2, we cannot get this number 7. Neither 11, 7, 13 and so on. Okay. So we can say that 7 is a prime number. Then it's come for co-prime numbers. Co-prime numbers. So you can see over here that it is made of 2 words, co and prime. Co means together, means a companion, we can say in simple words. So co-prime, prime, so we can see that 15 and 17 are the set of numbers which are prime. Okay, so then next is composite. The numbers which are not prime numbers are known as composite numbers. It's very easy, we can tell like 10, 12 and etc. Okay guys, hope you like the video. Please subscribe my channel. If you like it, share with friends, relatives and so on. Hope you like this. Thank you.